Welcome back to the channel.
Tonight we are giving you guys an updated view of Margaritaville Sunset Walk.
If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe.
Come get lost with us. They closed down the street now, which is kind of nice because they didn't used to do that in years past, but they closed down the street to road traffic so you can just kind of walk and wander when they actually start doing stuff. And I have to say, this place is pretty built up since the last time we were here. We got a Fat Tuesdays over there. It's Sugar's always been here, and they were still constructing Game Time when we first came down here. So yeah, we're gonna go walk down to the end. We'll walk down one way and then we'll come back up the other way. How's that sound? Alright, so starting off pretty strong here. Directly in this direction is Margaritaville. Apparently now they added a slingshot out here. That's kind of interesting. And it was fascinating pulling in and seeing the water park is still here. And there's Ford's Garage. We're going to try and have dinner there in just a little bit. So make sure you guys follow us to see that video. So they do have this light up TV here. I thought it was touchscreen, but it's not. It would be nice if it was, so that way you could actually see a map. But apparently they're gonna have a New Year's Eve party. They're gonna have a Christmas tree lighting. There's gonna be all kinds of stuff down here at Margaritaville. So it's definitely grown since the last time we were here. All right, let's get moving. Coming down this way, we have a soap store, the Naples. There's a water park down this alleyway back here, like Gary was saying. No public access beyond this point. Apparently they're doing Night of a Million Lights. Don't know what that is, but apparently that is a thing. But yeah, so Naples Soap Company, I believe, started in Naples, Florida, which is not too far away from where we are originally from Fort Myers, Cape Coral, y'all. Naples is like a 45-minute drive from there. All right, we're gonna keep on going down. Next up, we got a Fat Tuesdays in case you wanna get a nice alcoholic beverage. It doesn't look like they're open. Well, it says they're open, but we got these all over Vegas. It's interesting seeing them down here in Orlando. All right, next up, we got a candy store that does pralines and hand-dipped apples, as well as ice cream. It's called River Street Sweets. And they do chocolates and ice cream. That's cool. It's pretty interesting. And then I think next up we're gonna hit Game Time, so maybe we'll go pop in there and see what it looks like inside. Alright, so we made it to Game Time. They got a Zoltar. If you know anything about Zoltar, they're actually made in Henderson. Kind of where we're at. These are fascinating. See if you can cut it. We'll even give you 5,000 tickets. Alright, let's see what other games we can find. This place is absolutely empty, by the way. I'm just gonna say that right now. This place is absolutely empty. Crazy. It's your favorite one, but it's not even on. We got some interesting stuff in here, honestly. It's no longer called Dance Dance Revolution. And they even got like mini bowling alleys back over here in the back corner. I would say it's probably a place I would come check out. I like that it's not crazy full of kids like Dave & Buster's. All right, let's go see what else this place has to offer. Okay, so they do have outdoor seating as well, it looks like, for Game Time. So if you just want to come out and have some drinks, the weather is gorgeous, it's perfect for it, you can do that. Looks like they also have an escape room.
Scooby-Doo game.
Feeling very much Las Vegas-y, right?
Yeah.
All right. None of this was open when we were here last, so this video definitely needed to be made. And also, too, they added Gloria Estefan's restaurant here. It used to be at Disney Springs, and now it's here, and I think that's it. Straight ahead. We're going to go
And we ate there one day on time. I think it might, I don't know if we did a vlog there though. We did eat there prior to moving.
Yep, Estefan Kitchen. Estefan. All right, let's go check out the front. Here is Estefan Kitchen, which this also was kind of under construction last time we were here. It's definitely got some restaurants that we are gonna need to come back and check out. Here is the stage as well. This was kind of like an up and coming thing when we were living out here 4 years ago. And it definitely looks like it's definitely gotten a lot better. Now, I used to get my nails done down here, and I do not see the nail place I used to get my nails done down here. So, but we're gonna keep walking. We're gonna go down to that Christmas tree over there. We're gonna go make a big circle. All right, in true Christmas time fashion, we've got a Christmas tree down here at the promenade for Sunset Walk. And a lot of these places that are kind of back here were here before, except for that Cowboy Chicken. I don't think that Cowboy Chicken was there. But we ate many a times at that BurgerFi. Looks like there is a pizza place, a liquor store behind the tree, and there is the Cowboy Chicken place I was talking about.
Cold Stone.
Oh yeah, Cold Stone. Can't really see it. We'll walk around to the other side. Alright, as mentioned before, there's BurgerFi, there's a pizza place, liquor store, Cold Stone, and Cowboy Chicken. Have you guys ate a Cowboy Chicken? If you have, leave us a comment below, because, you know, I'll put it on my list of places to try once we get back here. So many places to try. Alright, in case you guys didn't believe me, street is closed. Pedestrian traffic only, which is really nice because they didn't do this before, and it definitely made it really chaotic at night sometimes. And it looks like this is a permanent thing. So I can get behind that. Alright, so here is the front view looking down this main drag here. We got Estefan Kitchen over here, cute little train guy. Just in case you guys were wondering, it's $4 for adults, $6 for kids. So cheaper for adults to ride the train.
He was giving us the pitch too.
And then we've got this other restaurant over here called The Wharf.
That's Sunset Walk. Interesting.
Looks interesting. Definitely seafood for sure. Gonna have to add that. It says they do live music nightly too. So, all right, let's head on down. All right, so coming up next to The Wharf, we've got Lizzie's Memphis Style Barbecue. This is another addition that was not here before. Have to add that to our list of places to try. Just see how tasty that place is. And as we continue down, that's how you kind of get to the parking lot over here. There's actually even more restaurants, and there's a Target even kind of a little further down from this plaza. So this plaza is actually much bigger than just this main strip, just so you guys know. Okay, so this place is like a sandwich and smoothie place, and it is called Sunnyside. That looks interesting. And then over here, if you are somebody who likes to listen to Sirius XM, then you can see Radio Margaritaville is broadcasted live here. They used to actually broadcast live from City Walk, and then about 4 or 5 years ago, they transferred everything over here. So it's just exclusively here. Pretty sure the nail place I used to get my nails done was like right here. Way back in the day. And now it's nothing.
Yeah, so
I imagine they probably raised rent.
probably.
And then, as you guys can see over there across the way is Game Time that we showed you guys earlier. And we are actually coming up to my favorite restaurant here, Bento. Yeah, Bento is my favorite place to eat. I don't know what it is, but their tofu is also delicious. So we're not going to hit up this trip. Makes me a little sad, but you know what? When I come back, we are going to fully hit up Bento. All right, looking across the street is the ice cream place. I think it's like a
S'mores smoothie.
Bahama Bucks or something like that is what it's called, which is pretty cool. And then again, there's more parking lot back there. Bahama Books, everybody. I think I have ate here before. They do like a Italian ice kind of thing. But it's been ages. Oh no, here it is. Here's my nail salon, guys. Avalon Nails. This is it. Now, I don't know if they're still good, but I used to get my nails done here. Way back in the day. They still look nice though. Alright, we got Verizon store. And then we got some place called So Fresh. I'm gonna guess, take a limb here, that they do salads. Because what do you need when you eat a salad? You go next door to It's Sugar. That's what you do. It's all balanced, right? Alright. And then we're gonna kind of finish up our little tour over here at Ford's Garage. There's a couple more restaurants on the back side of Ford's Garage, so we'll go walk over there now.
The safe and everything was in there.
So this used to be Capone's. It was like a pizza Italian place. It was very like Las Vegas mobster-esque.
Deep dish pizzas, yeah.
Yeah, and we ate there once. I think we do have it on the channel somewhere deep in the archives, and it was not very good.
It was a cool setting. It just wasn't good food.
Yeah, so I'm not really surprised. Not really surprised. All right, as we come around the backside of this building, we're getting a little bit closer to Margaritaville. That's the check-in gate for Margaritaville. And then, as I mentioned before, they've got this slingshot. And then we're actually going to be heading over to Studio Movie Grill tonight because we're going to go check it out. It's not as busy as like AMC over at Disney Springs, but it's kind of the same feel. You get a recliner, you can order food. We're not going to be ordering food, but if you guys are looking for a more chill hangout vibe, definitely check out Studio Movie Grill.
It looks like it might be being renovated, but it could be closed too.
So it looks like this place might be closed too. We actually came here a few times. They had really good fish and chips. It was very much like a British pub, and they had an old British phone booth out here as well, and that looks like it's gone. So not really sure what they're doing with this space. Either they're renovating it or they're going to take it out. Who knows? Maybe it got weather damage for all we know.
Maybe it can't compete with the Gordon Ramsay fish and chips.
Yeah.
Down at Icon Park. Check that video out in the comments.
So yeah, we're gonna make one more circle and give you guys the full look.
They had good mac and cheese.
Oh yeah, they did have good mac and cheese. And then there's Studio Movie Grill, like I said, right there across the street. And here is the parking lot. And then kind of like straight ahead back here, that's where there's like even more restaurants and more things kind of on the back end of Sunset Walk.
They're going down. Giggity. All right, that concludes our walk around of Margaritaville's Central Street.
Sunset Walk.
Sunset Walk.
It's definitely changed a lot since we were last here almost 4 years ago. Some of it for the better, some of it maybe not so much.
Yeah, if you want to see our original walkthrough, check that out in the show notes below.
So we're going to go grab some dinner now, and then we're going to go watch a movie. So make sure you guys be on the lookout for that Ford's Garage video.
Yeah, and if you want to see our highlights of the Studio Movie Grill, make sure to tune into our Awkward Chats podcast anywhere you find podcasts.
And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Hit that subscribe button.
And make sure you ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get you all for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Bye, everybody.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach with our freedom.